G'day boys. So last week we looked at some multiplication word problems and we've got a couple here that were certainly a little bit challenging for some of us. So I'm just going to show you how the best to work out a problem such as the one above and certainly show you the best strategy to use to solve these. Okay. Now let's read the question. Use the uniform prices above. So these are our uniform prices. Okay. The Springwood Cricket Club needs to buy 14 jumpers and 14 pants. What is the total cost? So we've got two things here that we need to look at. Okay, the first one is that they want to buy 14 jumpers. These are our jumpers. If one jumper costs $45 and they want to buy 14 of them, we need to multiply 45 by 14. The second part is they want to buy 14 pants. So here's our pants, they're $30 each. So now we've got 30 multiplied by 14. Okay, that's our two sums that we need to do. Now let's do the 45 times 14 first. Let's do the formal algorithm way to solve. 5 times 4, so we need to multiply by our 4 first. Okay, so 4 times 5 is 20 plus the 2. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 2, 180. Now we've done our 4. Now we need to work with our 1s. Now because we're working with the 1 here and we're working in the tens column, we must add the 0. 1 times 5 is 5 and 1 times 4 is 4. We add this together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry the 1. 4 plus 1 is 6. So $630 for just the jumpers. Okay, $630 for the jumpers. Might put a little dollar sign there. Alrighty. Now we've got 30 times 14. Let's use a different strategy. Let's use the double and half strategy. So let's double the 30. Okay, that becomes. So if we use the double and half strategy, we double our 30 to become 60 and we halve our 14 to become 7. Now, 60 times 7, okay, we know 7 times 6 equals 42, and we're working with the 10, so it's 420. Now, we've got two answers here, 630 and 420. It says, what is the total cost? Okay, what is the total cost? So if we now know that we must use 630 plus 420, okay, to work out the total cost. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 6 plus 4 is 10. So the total cost of the uniforms is $1,050. Okay, hopefully that now clarifies how to work out one of those problems, boys. Alrighty, the next one that we need to look at, okay, is certainly, let's just delete this. Okay, the next one that we had a little bit of difficulty with in class is this one just here. Okay, now let's have a look. Okay, a jumper costs $39. This is $15 more than the price of a cap. 8 caps were sold in one day. What was the total sales from caps? Now, this question is asking us one thing. How much did they spend on the caps? Now, we don't actually have a price for the caps in this actual word problem as yet. But if we break it up, jumpers cost $39. Okay, $39. Caps are $15 less. Okay, so a jumper is $15 more than the price of a cap. So that means we need to minus 15. 9 take 5 is 4, 3 take 1 is 2. So one cap, okay, is $24 per cap. Cool. Now, that's not our answer. That's just the first step. So there's 1 mark for your test. The next step is to go 8 caps were sold in one day. So you need to multiply 24 by 8. So if we go 24 multiplied by 8 over here, 8 times 4 is 32 carry the 3. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 3 is 19. So the total cost or sales for the hat is $192, okay, in one day. And that would be your second